Hello children, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 13, and its name is We Are Proud of Them. So children, in this chapter we will learn about few famous personalities who worked and served so efficiently that they got success in their lives and paved the path for the future generation. So children, what is the meaning of famous? Someone or something that is famous is very well known, and there is never any shortcuts to success, but hard work complemented with the desire to achieve, determination, and always being motivated to get after your goal. It makes success becomes bigger. Hard work only works as hard as you do, and the level of success reached will only be as high as an individual work level. So children, first personality is Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American lawyer and statesman who served as the 16th President of United States from 1861 till 1865. He managed the Civil War. Lincoln also created the Department of Agriculture and formally instituted the Thanksgiving holiday. He understood that ending slavery required patience, careful timing, shrewd calculations, and an iron resolve. Slavery was indeed killed. Lincoln kept all his important documents in his hat. Now the next personality is Golda Meir. She was born on 3rd May in 1898 in Ukraine and died on December 8, 1978 in Jerusalem. She was an Israeli politician who helped found the State of Israel and later served as its 4th Prime Minister from 1969 till 1974. She was the first woman to hold the post. As the Minister of Labor, she carried out major programs of housing and road constructions. Appointed Foreign Minister in 1956, Israel's own imprecious Iron Lady and first woman Prime Minister, she was awarded the Israel Prize for her contribution. Now the next personality is Jane Austen. It is said that Jane Austen lived a quiet life. Jane Austen was born in Steventon, Hampshire on December 16, 1775 and grew up in a tight-knit family. She was the 7th of 8 children with 6 brothers and 1 sister. Her novels, including Pride and Prejudice and Sense and Sensibility, are considered literary classics. Austen spent much of her early adulthood helping run the family home, playing piano, attending church, and socializing with neighbors. Today, Austen is considered one of the greatest writers in English history, both by academics and the general public. The popularity of her work is also evident in many films. Yes, children, the next personality is Jesse Owens. Jesse Owens was a track and field athlete. He represented the USA at the 1936 Olympic Games held in Nazi Germany. Owens won 4 gold medals and set a world record in the long jump. Hitler left the stadium to avoid having the congratulate an African American. Now the next personality is Jonas Salk. He was born on October 28, 1914 in New York, US and died on June 23, 1995 in California. He was the American physician and medical researcher who developed the first safe and effective vaccine for polio. At Pittsburgh, he began research on polio. On April 12, 1955, the vaccine was released for use in the United States. He established the Salk Institute for Biological Studies in 1963. Education was very important to his parents and they encouraged him to apply himself to his studies. So children, let's learn about the next personality. He is Leo Tolstoy. He was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He received nominations for the Nobel Prize in Literature every year from 1902 to 1906 and for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1901, 1902 and 1909. In the 1860s, he wrote his first great novel, War and Peace. In 1873, Tolstoy set to work on the second of his best-known novels, Anna Karenina. He continued to write fiction throughout the 1880s and 1890s. Tolstoy received his primary education at home at the hands of French and German tutors. On September 9, 1828, writer Leo Tolstoy was born. Now the next personality is Martin Luther King Jr. He was born on January 15, 1929 till April 4, 1968. He was born as Michael Luther King Jr. but later had his name changed to Martin. He received the BA degree in 1948 from Morehouse College. King sought equality and human rights for the African Americans, the economically disadvantaged, and all victims of injustice through peaceful protest. King was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964 and is remembered each year on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, a U.S. federal holiday since 1986. His famous saying is, "Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter." Now the next personality is Nadia Comaneci. Is a Romanian gymnast who became the first woman to score a perfect 10 in an Olympic gymnastics event in 1976 at the age of 14. She received 7 perfect scores and won 3 gold medals for the uneven bars, balance beam, and individual all-around, and a bronze medal for her floor exercise. As a part of the second-place Romanian national team, she won silver. Her performance at the 1976 Olympics refined both her sport and audiences' expectations of female athletes. At the 1980 Olympic Games in Moscow, Russia, she won 2 gold for the balance beam and floor exercise and 2 silver medals for the team competition and individual all around. And the children last personality is Dr. Shireen Ebadi. She was born on June 21st, 1947 in Iran. She is an Iranian lawyer, writer and teacher. Shireen Ebadi was awarded the 2003 Nobel Peace Prize for her efforts to promote human rights, in particular the rights of women, children, and political prisoners in Iran. She is the first Muslim woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize and only the 5th Muslim to receive a Nobel Prize in any field. Dr. Ebadi was the first woman to become presiding judge in Iran. She served as president of the City Court of Tehran from 1975 to 1979. So children, now you know about these 10 famous personalities. So children, it's activity time. You have to make a short video on the personalities according to the series shown in the given table. 10 roll numbers will perform the series of 10 personalities and other roll numbers will repeat the series again. You can take the material from your book or from this PPT. So children, as I have explained you 10 famous personalities, so in this activity you have to explain all these personalities according to roll numbers. Like for example, from roll number 1 to 10 will explain about these 10 personalities as shown in the table. 1 to 5 is in the another slide and 6 to 10 is in this slide. Then roll number 11 to 20 will explain the series of personalities again, and similarly roll number 21 to 30 will again explain the same series, and you have to make the video and send to me. So here 5th A, class 5th A, the roll numbers are mentioned, and class 5th B, the table is mentioned according to roll numbers. So you have to follow this and you have to send the videos to me. Thank you.